Yeah, Courtney and Cher, we've been chasing this pursuit from Orange County all the way here to Sherman Oaks. The CHP was in pursuit of a vehicle, a gray Kia Optima, at a high speeds the entire time during this chase. It started in Baldwin Park, but here at the off-ramp here at Ventura Boulevard and the 405 freeway, the CHP got into an accident with their own units here. You can see 2 units here that have crashed. They have 1 officer that's still in the vehicle here. Doesn't appear that that officer is trapped or anything, but they are in communication with that officer. So far we're hearing minor injuries only, and we're waiting to see if the ambulances or paramedics will roll up here shortly. But again, this high-speed chase over 100 miles an hour all the way from Orange County. The vehicle exiting here at Ventura, the CHP, not sure how they crashed. It looks like they may have hit the barrier there, bounced off that and into the other CHP unit here. It's unclear exactly how that went down, but I can tell you the suspect vehicle did escape, but it sounds like the suspects bailed out in this area. They're searching for multiple suspects in that vehicle. It was said to be a stolen vehicle occupied by several suspects in that vehicle. We did have speeds reaching 110 miles an hour at one point during this chase, all the way up the 405 freeway from the Huntington Beach area, ending here in Sherman Oaks in a crash with these 2 officers. Hopefully they're okay, but so far we're hearing minor injuries only, but we're waiting official word from the CHP on that. That's the latest overhead up in Sky 5. I'll send it back to you in the studio.
Yeah, speedy recovery to those officers, and hopefully those suspects are eventually caught. Gil, thank you so much.
Right off the 55 and the 5, so we're going to try to get that one. That one's a Kia. I wanted for failure to yield. We'll be there probably like 5 minutes, so we're going to try to go get that one. The sheriff's ship is over that one. That's Orange County Sheriff's. So we're going to head over to that one, and then if that one ends, we can try to catch that, the original. Alrighty guys, here's that other pursuit. Looks like it just ended in a crash. We're right on the border of Tustin and Santa Ana, right at 17th and 55th Street, just off of Deodar. And you can see that Kia that we were we heard was oh, got a little wake turbulence there. This was a pursuit of a failure to yield. He was in a Kia. You see the Kia there ended up there in the center divider. This was a police agency in pursuit, not CHP, from what I can tell based off of the units. I'll try to read them and try to tell you which agency that was. But you can see that he was on the 55 freeway. I think he tried to exit here at 17th and then just lost control. Ended up there in that center divider, center median. You see the police officers are still kind of on guard there. I think they're probably just clearing the vehicle, but I do see that one person is in custody. Looks like a man. So we're just off of 17th Street and the 55 freeway. Ended on 17th over the freeway. It's behind us, George. So that's the end of that one. Still don't have a termination of that Chevy Silverado pursuit. That was a DUI chase. But we are actually going to start making our way back up into the San Fernando Valley because the weather is going down. That way we can make it back home safely. So as long as I'm still streaming, I'll keep the shot up for you guys so you can watch a us make our way back home out of Orange County and back into LA. We're currently at the 91 and the 55. And in fact, I'll throw up the little address bar because I think you guys will think it's kind of cool to be able to see exactly where we're at as we're flying along here. So once again, from News Chopper 4, I'm Liliana.